Welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Let's start the today's topic. The topic for today is Red Data Book. It means the red list categories for the conservation of the species. That may be of the flora or the fauna. So, we are discussing the topic related to the biodiversity and environmental biology. So, this is a very important topic. Here, the extinct and threatened species are labeled or mentioned the name of their, so that they must be conserved by the normal people also, and by the governmental issue level also. So let's start the topic without doing any delay. Please continue with me till the end of the video for the brief and complete knowledge of the topic. So let's start. To highlight the legal status of the rare species for the purpose of conservation, the International Union for Conservation of National and Natural Resources recognized earlier in the 1963 the five main conservation categories. These are extinct, endangered, vulnerable, rare, and insufficiently known species. It has now recognized 9 red list categories of the species. IUCN, now known as the World Conservation Union, with the headquarters at the Gland, Switzerland, is the premier coordinating body for the international conservation effort. So it produces directors of specialists who are the knowledgeable about captive breeding programs and the other aspects of the conservation. Using the IUCN categories, the World Conservation Monitoring Center has evaluated and described threats about the 60,000 plant and 2,000 different species of animals in its series of red data book. Threatened species include those which are endangered, vulnerable, and rare in IUCN categories. The great majority of the species on this list of red data books are plants. However, there are also species of fishes, 343 species of fishes, 50 species of amphibians, 170 species of reptiles, and 1355 species of invertebrates, 1037 species of birds, and 497 species of mammals are kept in this category. The IUCN system has been applied to specific geographical area as wide to highlight the conservation priorities. The focus attention on the threatened species most in need of immediate conservation effort. So we must have to contribute in this also, and whenever we will do it at our level, so this world epidemic for the species that are going to be extinct or that are in the threatened list may be conserved, and we remain for our next generation also. They can also be looked at this type of species are also present in our environment and in the world. IUCN has begun to issue list of the world's most threatened plant and animals. This list include the species of unique conservation value, a rare flightless birds, Kago, in the New Caledonia, a primitive wild ox from the Southeast Asia, and a Orinoco River crocodile has gone near extinction. The plant list included the giant Rafflesia of Sumatran rain forest and African violet, new occurring wild only in the central Tanzania. On the global basis, the IUCN have established that about 10% of the world's valuable plant species tolerates to be 20,000 to 25,000 species are under the varying degree of the threat. Simultaneously, to include the information of the threatened biological species, IUCN has started the publication of Red Data Book of Animals and Plants. Due to pressure on the account of environmental charges, 10,046 species of the plants and animals are facing high risk of extinction, while plant species are declining rapidly in the South America, Central and the West Africa and Southeast Asia. Mammals and birds are disappearing faster in the Brazil, India and China. In India, all the 8 species of valuable are declining fastly. So students, this is all about the topic. Let's have a quick review of the topic. The book published by the IUCN, that means the International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, have published or provided all the information on the threatened species of the plants and animals is called the red data book. What red data book contains? Red data book contains only the list of the all the threatened species that are going to be extinct, or that are in the vulnerable species, or that are the rare one. So the list of all this type of species are being kept in the red data book. The first red data book of the animal was published in 1991. Now this book, IUCN is trying to create awareness about the threatened species. The book giving all the information about all the threatened species is called what? Red data book. So students, this is all about the topic. Hope you understand the topic. And if you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to put the comment. Please put comments so that I can also be aware that what you have learned and what is, if is there something fault in the way whatever I teaching. So it will a guideline for me. Thank you so much.